up YouTube, it's Annie and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be giving you guys the Morphe and Saweetie makeup look that I did, and I posted it and you guys said you wanted to see me do a tutorial on that, so that's what I'm going to do for you today. Before we get into it, I'm going to show you guys all the products that I got from the Saweetie collection. I bought the whole thing, the fanny pack and all. I don't like fanny packs, but I bought it because it's Saweetie. I love her and obviously I was going to support her. But first, I guess I'll start with that is the fanny pack, and this is what the brushes came in. It came with 6 brushes. This is really cute. I thought this was really cute. It's like a gothic type of font, and it came in here. I'm just gonna throw everything on the floor because I got time for this. But these are the brushes that it came with. The next thing I got was the palettes, and this is probably the biggest eyeshadow palette I have ever got ever. But how do you like, please, like, these are the colors. I'm leaving it like this so you can't get the glare, but the colors, I've used this palette twice now and I really like it. The only thing I would say is the colors are pigmented, like when you like swatch it, but it doesn't really pick up that much on the brush. But you really have to like build it up, which I like. It's a good thing. These are the Icy Lips by Saweetie, and it came with 3, they're like 3 mini lip glosses. I thought they were gonna be, you know, full size, but it wasn't. And it's like this like nude color of pink, kind of matches my lips, and then this purple one is really pretty. And then the last thing I got from the collection was the setting spray, and this is the peach. It's called Sweet Peach, and it's a mini one, so I'm pretty sure it was like a lot cheaper than like the full size one. Oh my god. Okay, but yeah, it smells so good, and it like, the smell kind of like lingers, so I feel like in a way it kind of makes you like smell a lot better when you like put it on too. This is probably my favorite thing that I got, and I can't wait to show you guys. So let's get into the makeup. I'm gonna start off with eyes first, and that's something I normally don't do. I like to keep like a base first, but we're gonna start with the eyes. So first, I'm gonna start with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I just like to put these on my lids to kind of like prep them, just like you're prepping the skin. And I don't have like a eyeshadow primer. I need a mirror. I don't have like an eyeshadow primer, so I'm just kind of doing this. And I'm also going to do on top because I'm going to do my eyebrows. Maybe I should just set my whole face. Yeah, let me do that. Let me just set my whole face. Good. And now I'm gonna prep my eyes with some concealer, and the one I'm gonna use is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm in the shade Medium Neutral, and this is pretty yellow on me. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm gonna take this. This is the NYX Precision Brow Pencil, and I'm in the shade Espresso. Now I'm gonna set with my Airspun Loose Face Powder. I'm gonna set my under eyes. I'm gonna set the lid for eyeshadow. So first, I need a blending brush, so I'm gonna use this one. This is a NYX number 16 brush. It's my favorite blending brush. I'm gonna take Max Volume, that's this pink shade right here, and a little bit goes a long way, so let's build it up. And I'm gonna use this as my transition color. And then next on the outer corner, I'm going to take, this is called Indio Woe. And it's like this really pretty like coral color. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and put that on the outer corner. Now we're gonna do the cut crease part. I'm gonna take the same concealer and this time with like a smaller brush. I'm gonna take like a flat shadow brush, and I took was this big one right here, and I think these are highlighters, and I took this one. It's called Private Oasis, and it's kind of like it's like chunky glitter. So we're gonna take that and we're gonna put it right on top of where we put the concealer. And now I'm gonna go in with the same fluffy brush, and with the coral, I'm gonna mix that coral color and that hot pink color and kind of blend out the edge right there. And that's the eyeshadow part, and now we're going to do the liner. And the liner I use is the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner in black. I'm kind of scared. So this is as even as I can get them, but honestly, when you put lashes on, they just come together. So you don't even gotta worry about that. Yeah, whatever. It's as straight as it can be. Now I'm gonna add this on. This is the L'Oreal True Matching Unique Lotion, and I have it in the shade medium. I'm gonna put this on my face. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, and it has like gold in it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really pretty and it looks really good with makeup. This is my favorite foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation. I'm in the shade 210 Sandy Beige. This bipolar ass lighting. For concealer, I'm just gonna use the same one, the e.l.f. one. To highlight, I'm gonna take my favorite concealer. This is the L'Oreal Magic Lumi Highlighter, and I'm in the shade medium. Now I'm gonna set everything in with the same powder I used on my eyes, the Airspun Loose Face Powder. And the bronzer I used is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So for blush, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. one. It's like the bronzer blush, and I'm gonna use that blush. It's in St. Lucia. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the bottom lash line, and I'm gonna take a pencil brush. I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's this really pretty lavender shade, and it's called Stage Persona. I'm gonna run that on the bottom lash line. I don't know if that lighting makes it better, but doesn't make it any better. But that's what it looks like. For the inner corners, I'm gonna take this color right here, this sparkly lavender, and it's called Secret Set. And I'm gonna take the brush that I used to apply the glitter and clean it off, and I'm gonna take that and put that on the inner corner. Oh my god, like, oh my god, I'm so confused, but that's what it looks like. Am I done? Oh, let me set my brows. The brow gel I'm gonna use today is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara to give it some color and make it a little bit darker, more refined. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. I love this for bottom lashes. It makes your lashes, or I have itty bitty lashes, so these make me have something. So now I'm gonna take the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray and I'm gonna spray my face for highlighter. So everything. I love the smell of that. I'm gonna take my brush. I'm gonna take, I don't remember what I used for highlight, but I'm pretty sure I used the same sparkly purple Sun Secret Set. For the lips, I'm just gonna take something that's like close to my lip color, and this is MAC Lip Pencil in Dervish. Oh, is that how you say it? That don't sound right, but that's what it says on here. And for the lip gloss, I'm gonna use that purple shade. I'll tell you what the names are called. So the nude one is called Boss Tycoon. The like pink one is Money Mommy. And then this one is 8 inches. So I'm doing like a little purple thing, so I'm gonna go with that purple. And it has like purple glitter in it, so it's like that sheen. But it's so cute. I love this one. Oh my god, I can't. This is what it looks like without the sun, but I cannot get enough of this. But last but not least, we're gonna set the face with this. I know that's right. Oh my god. Okay. My curls kind of fell out a little bit, but you know what? We're still looking cute. Sweetie really outdid herself with this collection. I have nothing bad to say about it. I love everything about it. The smell, the colors, the shades. I love everything about it, and I'm so happy that I finally got my hands on it, because y'all know I love Sweetie. But this is really like icy girl makeup, and you know, I really hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you want to see more of me, and comment down below some other things you guys would like to see me do, because I want to do what you guys want to see. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time.